Hi guys, how you doing? Um, Welcome to this week's analysis. I won't be taking much of your time. I'm just looking at the things I will be looking at for this week. So last week we took some trade. If you are following me on my Instagram, you see me updating some of the trade I took, and I hope you're able to catch some of it because I already gave some of them out on my last week video. I hope you're learning. So what I'm looking out for this week is for EURCAD to come to this zone. I have a very strong support zone right here. So I'm waiting for the EURCAD to come back here to hit this trend line. We can see the 2 times the trend line was hit, it bounced. So we're expecting another bounce here. If it comes here, hit our trend line and gives us the reaction we are looking for, then we go in, guys. We go in and we're trying to see if it can come back to this 100%. You know, a full retracement. This is almost 3.5 risk to reward, guys. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm just trying to a little bit of stop loss below the trend line. Let's see what's going to happen. So watch out for that. Then GJ gave us I shared this trade on my Instagram when I entered this trade. Just the same thing. I got a bounce here, on this trend line. So when the market came here, after this big impulse, I knew that the market is going to go back up. So we got in right here. It was a very big sniper entry, and actually I didn't get out here. I got out okay, so let me just show you guys where I got out of this trade. Okay, so this is what I used. So from here to here, yeah, I got out here. This was where I got out. But then it came moving back to the zero like I predicted. So that was a very nice trade. So for this week, I don't believe the trend is done. I'm still trying to see what's going to happen. If I get another bounce here and I see some form of rejection, just like weeks, same thing that happened there. If I see it here, I'm going to buy again because GG originally from here gave an impulse that broke this high. So might decide to keep going higher. So what I'm looking out for GJ this week is if it comes here to my trend line again and gives this kind of weak rejection, I'm going to get in again. And a little bit of stop loss below the trend line, maybe something like 30 pips. Then I'm going to be targeting these 115 pips. Then if it continues, then I can go to my TP1. So let's see. So I'm still trying to see once it hits this trend line, because I have a zone right here. You know, this is just some form of a retracement. It can come to the 23%, then start moving again. So once it comes to this zone right here, let me show you the zone right here. So you can see it as a support here, a resistance here, support here, resistance here, support here. So this zone. So that's what I'm looking for. The behavior of the market is this zone, especially when it hits the trend line, right? That was the same trend line we took all the way from here. Bounced here again. Some people might have gotten in again, you know, stuff like that. So if I can get that kind of reaction here, I'm going to join in on this trade. I'm carrying it up. I think that's it. I don't have anything for you on DXY, USD pairs this week. GU or GSD, everything is still going higher. If you can join in the trend and buy, feel free to do so. We have a break of a high here. So if the market can, it has already retested though. It has already retested. So what I can feel here is this still has some room. That's some room to go higher. So what I can say is if it comes down again, maybe to this zone for you to get in, you can take a buy and try and see if it will come to this zone. Because I have a zone here. I need the market to come back to. It's broke a low. It's broke a low. Yeah, we have a low broken. So the market can make its way all the way up to either the 61% or the 71%. This depends on what it wants to do. So there's still room for buys. That's what I'm saying. If it comes back to this, you can take a buy, carry it up to either here or here, the 71%. So let me just give an insight of what I'm saying. So if it comes here, I'm willing to join in on the buy, give it like a 30 pips stop loss, and I will be looking to carry it maybe to the 71% here, which is the former low here. You can see this. So there's a zone here of resistance that we can expect the market to come back to a retest before shooting down. Still going to shoot down, but at least you can carry it maybe to here. I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. So if it comes here, you can try and it can even consolidate to touch the trend line before pushing higher there. So take your time. So that's what I have for you guys. I'm not going to do anything more than that. GJ, I'm looking to join in on the trend. If it hits my trend line, I'm going to buy all the way up. EURCAD, same thing. Comes to my trend line and the zone, I'm going to buy and we're going higher. In fact, because of the fact that we broke this side, that makes this another block. So a test of that other block means it's going to come back to at least here. It might go beyond that. That's possible, especially maybe when you take your... I know sometimes the things I say on my channel, the terms, the words I use are kind of confusing to some people. Don't get confused, guys. If you want to really understand this thing and learn it, reach out to me. I take classes, I have courses, I have recorded videos, I have one-on-one sessions with students where I can teach you how to do all these things by yourself. So I want my videos to be short. So I'm going to end it there, guys. If you have any question, always feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for joining in. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys next week. Before I go, I would like to make a disclaimer. Whatever I tell you to do on this channel, whatever I tell you about myself or how I trade, please don't just go with that alone. Please make sure you do your own analysis. Please make sure you understand what trading is about before putting your hard-earned money in trading. Please, I beg you. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.